So finally, after 15 minutes of drive, we are just about to reach Auckland City, and we have taken the Simon Street exit. Simon Street that's where the University of Auckland is. So let's show you around.
University of Auckland because he's studying here and he's doing masters in data science and I'm his wife, proud wife. I love this place.
So that's our general library. Okay. No.
Lot of Wi-Fi is there.
So I'm not sure if it constructed these two floors because there was no place to do the group studies at the general library. But yeah, it's quite famous now, and it's all filled up all the time.
Nice.
I don't know.
So is this the cafeteria?
Yeah, this is the cafeteria, and if you want to have some beer, you can surely go to Shatters.
And it is also getting constructed, right?
Not something really good for us. If you want to have a pie,
Shweta has not had a pie yet.
you should go to Bacon Beans for
Bacon
having
Beans.
a good
Yeah,
pie.
in Mount Roskill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had pie.
You had pie?
Paneer
Pie. So that's what they say in New Zealand. That if you want to buy a pie, then go to the dairy shop. Show you the one more building, Kate Garden.
Thank you, Aman, for taking us to the University of Auckland.
I don't usually eat here because everything contains egg.
Oh.
That's the problem here. But yeah, most of the students would come here and have their lunch. This is the best one I know here. This Hollywood.
Hollywood Bakery.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
that's-
I know this
and
place.
then this Gongcha, they serve you bubble tea. You will see a lot of students buying bubble tea here.
All the
That's a
Asians.
Yeah, and then that's where you find the what do you call them? University merchandise.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
What
I
is
haven't been
called
there.
campus store.
I haven't got a chance to.
Have a look at it yet.
Yeah,
Let's go.
because- No. I think we're good.
This is where you get the university merchandise. Hey man,
Hey, bro.
we'll make you famous in India.
Yeah, so that's where you can find university merchandise. I'm buying one of these maybe when I get out from the university.
One for me too. Yeah, once I get a pay in restaurant, we are going to buy this. I'm going to buy gifts for you guys.
This one's
Just
good,
wait
right?
for it.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes.
This
please.
one's really good.
Yes.
Is
Can
it
you
sure?
get one for me?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
This is
That way.
how walkable the Sky Tower is from University of Auckland. So
That's
this
the
is
way to
right
the
at the center of
As in
Auckland
you
City.
can go to the kitchen. Yeah, that's pretty much of the common, like what we have showed you right now is the common accessible places, right?
Yep.
These are not particularly for engineering students or the science students. So they have these blocks, right? Engineering blocks and science block and some other blocks for like these students for different categories, I would say. All right. That's a small.
Aman, people are stopping for you, man. You have become a rock star now.
Come. Well, they are actually very considerate
considerate.
about the students who are here, right? Everybody.
True that.
People generally stop. हम लोग भी कार.
Yeah, and everybody's really sweet here. As in,
And they acknowledge at the right moment. उसी time पे thank
Yeah.
you. They'll say something.
yeah.
It feels good.
People are really nice at the university, at least. So that's Munchy Munch, right? You can, if you want to buy a few things for yourself, like quick bites and all. That's a pasta store. That's a waffle store. That's a coffee house, right? I usually buy my Red Bull from here, and then I'll give the exam. Like before giving the exam, I'll buy a couple of Red Bulls and then go to the exam.
New Zealand also have a very huge coffee culture.
Yeah.
People are crazy about coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah.
एक बिल्डिंग इधर है, एक स्ट्रीट क्रॉस करके है, तो मैं यही करके जैसे कि मेरा वो करके देखा ये मैं करके
That's the engineering block. That's the biggest block of University of Auckland. That whole building, yeah, that's the engineering block, and that's the career and development, as in the society. You can go and talk to them about what's happening with your studies, what do you wanna pursue in future, so that you're aligned with your career and all. And wait a moment.
You only live once. जो भी है शायद वही वाली है. YOLO.
That's where we had our orientation. Sir ONG's building. I think I know pretty much about the campus now.
It's been how many months?
3 months.
Four
More
months?
than 3 months now.
More than three
It's been in semester now.
Yeah.
It's just they're left with 2 exams.
ये यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज का मावरी में
Yeah, you can take video of this also. Like this is the place where we usually actually would take our photos. When I'm getting a degree, I'm taking one here. Exactly.
So it's
And
like
even-
Hindi and English in India.
Yeah, exactly. You can say
Hindi
that.
and English
So
in
they don't want to forget about Hindi language like we do in
हम
India.
लोग जबकि बहुत अंग्रेज होते जा रहे हैं इंडिया में, but they are not leaving their culture like that.
They can't actually.
Yeah, because there is
Otherwise, Maoris would.
Them up.
Yeah. But yeah, there's also a nice building there.
Yeah.
Sir ONG or something like
I
that.
think that's the one for the law.
I don't know if it's for the
I
law or
remember
not.
I met someone there and they were studying law. Like that was like 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Probably 15. I don't remember exactly, but yeah.
Come, let's go.
Yeah, let's walk. Yeah, career development and employability services.
Yeah,
So
that
they have. So why don't you go there and ask for a job?
No, I cannot ask for a job there, but yeah, surely when my
But
semester is over, I'll go to them and then I'll clear my doubts. Like I have a few of my doubts, like I'm studying big data and I'm studying machine learning and I'm studying a lot of stuff, statistics are. So I'm confused actually.
What should I do exactly?
What should I actually go for? As in, like
as a career?
no, like what should I study in advanced mode? As in, should I study machine learning more rather than big data, or should like in big data also they have like a lot of tools they are using. So you can't study each and every tool, right? So for that, I'll go to my lecturer and then I asked him that what should I study in future. So he said you should actually focus on Spark SQL. So that's what I'm gonna do in the next semester, right?
Oh.
That's my block.
It's also getting constructed, right?
Yeah.
What a building, man! This is so cool.
Yeah, so that's the science block, that's the engineering block.
Faculty of Engineering.
Yep.
Nice.
And then there are other blocks also, as in I've only showed you around a few of the blocks. There are blocks of arts, there are blocks of law. Like if you walk down the street, there's a block of art and that's really beautiful.
So guys, this was University of Auckland for you all. यहाँ पर आपको टॉप क्लास एजुकेशन मिलती है, टॉप क्लास यहाँ के फैकल्टी हैं, टॉप क्लास यहाँ का करिकुलम है, सब कुछ यहाँ पर बेस्ट है. तो आप लोग अगर प्लान कर रहे हो पढ़ाई करने का और आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हो थोड़ी भी एक्स्ट्रा फीस, बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चों को जो सबसे बड़ी कंस्ट्रेंट है वो है फीस का. तो फीस थोड़ी सी यूनिवर्सिटी में हाई होती है, बट जो वीज़ा लगने के चांसेस हैं और जो आपके करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पर मैटर करती है, क्योंकि इतनी हाई रैंक यूनिवर्सिटी में अगर आप पढ़ोगे, कैंपस अभी आपने देखा ही है पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी का, जो कि माइंड ब्लोइंग है. सब अलग अलग फैकल्टी के अलग अलग यहाँ पर डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं और जिस तरीके से ये लोग डिटेल में पढ़ाते हैं वो एक्चुअली में बहुत अमेजिंग है. सो आपके जो भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, क्वेरीज हैं रिगार्डिंग द फीस, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, रिगार्डिंग एनीथिंग, व्हाटएवर योर क्वेश्चन माइट बी, तो आप क्वेश्चन को कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो. देयर इज अ लिंक गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन थ्रू व्हिच यू गाइस कैन कनेक्ट विद अस एंड आवर काउंसलर्स विल हेल्प यू आउट विद ईच एंड एवरीथिंग जो भी आपके क्वेश्चन क्वेरी होंगे. और नेक्स्ट सेशन जो स्टार्ट होगा, जो मेन यहाँ पर 2 सेशन होते हैं, वो होते हैं फरवरी एंड जुलाई. कुछ कोर्सेज के बीच में भी ऑप्शंस हैं, तो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन विच कोर्स यू वांट टू डू, you can connect with us so that we can help you out with whatever query you have. So thank you for watching this vlog, and we shall come up with a new university with new video, a detailed video, so that you guys would be able to know where you are going to study. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I am pretty sure कि आपको कुछ नया देखने को, सीखने को मिला होगा. अमन से मिलके आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, अनुप्रिया से मिलके आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, श्वेता से मिलके आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. एंड आई एम ऑलवेज हेयर फॉर ऑल योर क्वेरीज. थैंक यू.